Okay, dear student, good morning. 10th B geometry class. 2.1, only one very important sum is remain. That we will complete. Then we will start 2.2. I will try to cover each and every problem from question set. But problem set we will do in revision during the time of exam. So, page number 39, sum number 9. Right angle triangle PQR, and this is M and it is a median. To prove that PQ square is equal to 4PM square minus 3PR square. In very easy way, we have to prove. Median also given. When median given, angle bisector given, parallel given. When parallel given, use BPT. When angle bisector is given, use angle bisector theorem. When median given, use Apollonius theorem. In right angle triangle PQR, PM is median on RQ given. Therefore, PR square plus PQ square is equal to 2PM square plus 2RM square. What is the Apollonius theorem? Apollonius theorem. This is a median. So left side square, right side square is equal to 2 of median square, 2 of any one part. I have taken RM. You can take MQ also. So now decide. PR you want? Yes, I want. So I will not change. PQ you want? Yes, we want. We don't change. PM also we want? Yes, we don't change. This we don't know. RM square. So 2 will be the same. In this right angle triangle, RM square is equal to PM square minus PR square. Pythagoras. Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle PRM. Okay, now simply open the bracket. Same. 2PM square, 2PR square. So here we want only PQ square. So we will write PQ square. 2PM square, 2PM, 4PM minus 2PR square. This will jump, so minus PR square. So it is 4PM square minus 3PR square. So that we want. See, very easily two thing I have replaced. First I have written Apollonius theorem, then I have replaced this, then open the bracket. Now just transfer here automatically you will get the answer whatever you want. Wall of two buildings either side of a street parallel to each other. Ladder of 5.8 meter long is placed on a street such that the top reach to the one building at 4 meter. Wait. Wait. Now see, yours blur or everyone's blur. Ducks, I said no, you reply with a. So beta, please wait for at least 10 seconds, automatically it will clear. 4.2. From any point it is slant. Now ladder first this side, then this side. So that is clear. 5.8 meter. If it is this side, at that time it is 4 meter. If it is this side, without changing base point, this is x, this is y, and we want x plus y. Okay, let me try the. Let me explain this. This one ladder, without changing this point, it is closer to one building and it is away from one building. So slant on one building. So away from the building, it will touch to less height, which point is nearer to the building, it touch to upper part. This height is given, this height is given, and ladder is common, so it will not change. So by Pythagoras I will find x, by Pythagoras I will find y, then I will join x and y, so I will get the width of the road, because these two buildings are on opposite side of the road. So I have to find out width of the road. So in right angle triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So 4 square plus x square 5.8 square. Whenever hypotenuse is given, don't do the square. So x square is equal to 5.8 square minus 4 square. 1 time plus, 1 time minus. Correct? Now takes this 0 down, decimal 0. Now 98 you can write 49 into 2, and this you can write 2 into 9. So 2 to the 4 I am writing here. Now take square root of all the things. 49 means 7, 4 means 2, 9 means 3, 10, 100, so 10. So x is equal to 42 by 10 means 4.2. Exactly same in right angle triangle EDC. CD square DE square EC square y square 4.2 square 5.8 square y square 5.8 square 4.2 square, so it is 10. Difference 1.6. 1.6 into 10 means 16. So y is equal to 4. But we want CD. We want BD, sir. So BD is equal to BC plus CD. So 4.2 meter plus 4 meter. By Pythagoras I got 8x, that is 4.2. By Pythagoras why I got 4. When hypotenuse is same and this point is same, this will interchange. This will come here, this will come here, and the total is 8.2. So the width of the road, that is BD, is equal to 4.2 plus 4, it is 8.2 meter. Now these two are the sums for 2.1. Now 2.2. First, in PQR, S is the midpoint, PQR, S is the midpoint, QR, join this, PQ is 11, PR 17, PS 13, both are XX, and we have to find out full length. In triangle PQR, PS is median on QR, that is given QR is question, right? So by Apollonius theorem, left side square is equal to right side plus right side square is equal to 2 of PA square, this square, plus 2 of QA square. 11 square, 17 square, 13 square, 2x square. Just I have substituted the numbers. 11 square 121. 7 sevens are 49. Cross this. 14 double cross. 289. This cross and double cross I will teach you one day. This is 169 double. 338 plus 2 times 2x square. Because of very heavy rain also you will get trouble slightly in this, but here the frequency I can say it is around 50%. Okay, total 0 1 1 this 4 1 0 3 3 8 plus 2x square. This minus this. Then it is in 60 70 72. Divide both the sides by 2. So x square is equal to 6 square. X is equal to plus or minus 6, but we will take only plus because it is a distance. But we want QR. QR is 2x. 2 times 6. 12 centimeter. Centimeter not given, sorry. So you will write only unit. Second, C outside. C, A, B, this is B, median, same formula. AB is 10, so this is 5, 5. That we have to show in calculation. This much given. We have to find out C. Now D is midpoint of AB given. Therefore AD is equal to BD is equal to AB by 2. It is 10 by 2. It is 5. No, frequency is okay. Dux is there or gone? बोलो वीडियो कैसा है? अरे वीडियो कैसा है? क्लियर है, ब्लर है? तो एक दो को थोड़ा बेचारे को हो रहा है प्रॉब्लम. Because आवाज I'm changing my network. Wait. बेटा दादी पेट्रोल लाओ तो. अरे बच्चा पेट्रोल दिस कोड ऑफ मोबाइल न लाइक. Now check. Now it is okay. Hello, Dan. Clear, no? Okay. So Apollonius theorem. Okay. So by Apollonius theorem, CA square, left square, right square, 2 time median, 2 time AD square. Correct? No, here no, in the surrounding there are heavy to heavy rain. That is also one of the problem. Seven sevens are 49, 9 nines are 81, 2x square, 5 5s are 25 plus 5 plus array into 2 50. So this is 130 minus 50, 2x square, 80 is equal to 2x square, 40 is equal to x square. AB is equal to 10. So x is equal to under root 40. It is 4 times 4 you can take out. Let me check the answer. It is correct 2.12. It is 100% correct. Now exactly same. Fourth one I will do first. Third one afterward. M is a midpoint of BC. Same. For BC, M is a midpoint. This is A, so A. AM is median. To find BC, what is given? AB square plus BC AC square, direct given 290. AM is given 8 centimeter. By Apollonius theorem, AM is median on BC. Therefore, by Apollonius theorem, AB square, left side square, right side square, 2 of AM square plus 2 of BM square. Any part you can take x. So this total is given 290. 2 times AM, 2 times 8 square, 2 times BM. Now make it half. Now 64 less. $65 for this. So Bm is equal to root 81. So Bm is equal to 9 centimeter. This is 9, this is 9, so total is 18. So BC is equal to 2 of Bm, 2 into 9, like that. So this all three sum I have done by Apollonius theorem. In formula 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Something is missing. Among 4 places, 1 place is missing. So that you can write x, and by substitution, by calculation, by simplification, by making square, by jumping left to right, right to left, at the end you will get square value and find out square root value. That is the answer of your unknown. They have not asked BM, they have asked BC. So make it double. At that time you have to be very careful. Here direct median they have asked. Here also they have asked QR. In this they have given AB, not your requirement. So C is a midpoint. If it is a midpoint, it divides side into 2 equal part. So opposite to 30, opposite to 60, opposite to 45, Apollonius theorem, Pythagoras theorem, geometric mean theorem. By this all know combination calculation is very easy. You should know that which formula when you have applied. And I have prepared one PDF of chapter wise points also, formulas also. Today only I'll send you. Very useful. So first by the formula, then try to understand the concept of theorem, then go for the calculation. Otherwise no, in this you will confuse that what to use, where to use. So theorem and formula, these two things you have to do in starting of chapter, then it will be very easy. I observe a YouTube channel, but you are not subscribing, you are not opening the video, then what is the use? If it will be not utilized, I will close. Both the sum are very long. rectangle PQRS. Coordinately PQRS is rectangle. To prove that TA square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 4. And it is parallel. All three are parallel. All three are parallel. So this equal to this and this equal to this. And this is equal to this. For first, we will take this triangle. For second, we will take this triangle. Try. For this, first, second, third, fourth. So first, TS square is equal to TA square plus AA square. In right angle triangle TAS. Second, we want TQ square. TQ square, add B. TB square plus BQ square. In right angle triangle TBQ. First, second, I want total. So TS square plus TQ square, TS square plus AA square plus TB square plus BQ square. So that is TA square, correct, plus AS square. So AS square I can change, TB square I can't change, BQ square I can change. Now TA square. AS means what? AS means RB square. TB same. BQ. BQ means what? AP square. Okay, what I have done? AS is equal to RB. What I have done? BQ is equal to AP. I want this square, Pythagoras. I want this square, Pythagoras. Left side plus left side is equal to right side plus right side. I have checked the diagram which I can replace to which. Done. Now this I want. Third one, TP square. TP square. Now this triangle and this triangle. TP square. TP square is equal to AP square plus AP square plus AT square, TS square. Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle TP TAP. Now this triangle TR square. So TB square plus BR square, Pythagoras triangle in R. Now left side total TP square TR square is equal to AP square TA square TB square BR square. What I have written second, first plus second. Here 5 plus 6. I got this left side total, right side total. Then I have replaced third, fourth, left side total, right side total. Now check. It is equal. And now in this and this. 7 and 4. AP square is there. AP square is there. TA square is there. TA square is there. DR square is there. DR square is there. TB square is there. TB square. So this is equal to this. So naturally this is equal to this. Hence it is proved. From 4 and 7. Hence it is proved. Left side is equal to right side. See, every day I am giving lots of bhasan on this attendance, but students are coming around 50% only. Why you are not telling your friends to join this? I think in other subject are the same position or more student. Thus, tell me. So my highest here also 34, 35 I have seen, but one by one. See this, no, just now they are joining very late. Okay, every day you have to write in workbook also, in notebook also. Do every day 1 hour practice, then only you will get good confidence during the time of board. This time board exam will be there. If it will be not there, some alternative exams or from the base of 9th standard, there are lots of clues. So you have to be very alert in all internal exam also. And any time they will demand from this internal exam, just join this, like this. Rahul Yadav coming now, exit. Beta, you are so early for the next lecture. Okay, we'll meet on next week, Monday. Doug, send me all the message and attendance.